I'd like to be the first to welcome you to Washington's Reagan National Airport. Local time here is just about 8:55 p.m. We are now on Eastern Daylight Time. We'll be taxiing for just a few more moments, so please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened into the captain hat, set the parking brake, and turn the seatbelt sign off. It'll only then be safe for you to get up and gather all of your carry-on baggage. Please check the seat pockets and other storage areas around to ensure you do have all of your belongings, and please use care when opening those overhead bins. Contents may have shifted throughout our flight. We'd also like to ask that you refrain from smoking until well within a designated smoking area. On behalf of all of us here at United, especially this Los Angeles-based in-flight crew, we'd like to thank you for choosing United for your flight tonight. We realize that you have a choice of air carriers, and we do sincerely appreciate your continuing business. Once again, thanks for coming along. Have a really great evening here in the Washington, D.C. area, or wherever your final destination may be.